Hey, how you doing? Austin here. This is a Dogecoin update for you. Just want to bring you the latest and greatest what's going on with Doge. Overall, we're looking really good. We're continuing to rise. We've had a really nice day, and I think we're just going to keep going up from here. Hopefully, we will hit $1 in the very near future, and then that'll hopefully be in our rearview mirror, and we'll be heading on to 2. So I'm going to bring you just a little bit of latest information, and just we're going to have an overall chat about it. Look at over the chart. We're going to look at the overall market cap, look at a little bit of information on Twitter, check out if Elon said anything new, talk about the latest things that Elon has said in case you missed some of those, and then look at a piece of content. That's what we're going to cover. This video is for entertainment purposes only. As always, invest at your own risk and do your own due diligence. And then lastly, the public service announcement down in the comments below. If there's anybody who's using my image and trying to get you to contact them on WhatsApp, do not do that. Those guys are con artists and scammers, and because of the success of my channel, which thank you, by the way, I appreciate you guys supporting me, helping me to grow the channel. I genuinely appreciate it. That has happened. They're targeting. I can't do anything to delete those comments. Please, if you see them, report them if you would. I can't delete them. I've talked to YouTube. It really sucks, but they're out there, and it really is just bad that people are resorting to that kind of stuff, trying to con people and scam and all that kind of stuff. So, I know, by the way, I will not recommend any brokers or anything like that. So those are all scammers below. That's all I got for the public service. With that said, let's go take a look at what the latest and greatest is for Doge. So as you can see, yep, we're looking good. We're at 55 cents. We're up almost 5 cents for the day, 9% overall in the last 24 hours. If you look at the chart, red line, 20-day, purple line, 50-day. We dipped below, hit our low of 38 cents, and then we've bounced back incredibly well from that. We're sitting at 56 cents. We just need to get back to our high of about 68 cents, which I think we're absolutely on the track. See right there, we went up to 56 cents. See, all I got to do is do a video and it goes up. That's it. I have that much power, and I can move markets like that. Now, of course, I'm kidding, of course. But it is funny. I've done 2 or 3 videos today, and every time I've done a video, it's gone up. So yeah, that's how powerful we are on my channel. I'm kidding. All right. Continuing on. All right, we're looking good. I think we're definitely trending up nicely. The overall market's doing well. Let's take a look. I want to show you this. I like to look at this for a couple of reasons. Number one, Doge is right here, and I haven't refreshed, so this is going to go up. We were at 69 billion, but I want you also to pay attention to this 24-hour column. Let's look at that real quick. Okay. All right. So number one. So Doge up at 56 cents. We're up 1.48 in the last hour. We're up 8.24 in the last 24 hours, and our market cap sitting nicely at 72 billion. I have my eyes on these guys. I would love to displace Binance as the number 3 overall market cap for crypto, right behind the biggies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. That would be beyond cool. Okay, I've said it before, but I'm going to say it again. You guys know I'm extremely bullish on Doge, part of the Doge army, and I love this. I love this crypto for a lot of reasons. We'll talk about those in a minute. But this is awesome. Okay, so looking good here. But I also want to point out what I like the screen. Yeah, it gives me market cap, but also what the screen does is gives me a snapshot. By the way, it's on digitalcoinprice.com. Digital coin price. Say that really quick. .com. Okay. What I love about this is that this gives me a snapshot into the overall crypto market. And what is it you see? This column, 24 hour. Green, 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 green. Yep, got a little bit of yellow, red, or what is that, pink maybe? I don't know. All green. That tells you what? Tells you that the overall crypto market is extremely bullish, extremely positive, in the last 24 hours. A good overall market indicator of how we're looking at the overall market. Things are going really, really well. Bitcoin is dropped. Earlier today it was up a little bit more, so it's definitely dropped a little bit. But anyway, long and short of it is that I own Bitcoin, I own Ethereum, and I'm a huge fan of these. Just by the way, just to point out for those of you guys, I do talk about this in all my videos. Diversify. Don't have all your money in Doge. Don't have all your money in crypto. Okay, so if you buy yourself a little bit of Bitcoin. No, you don't have to spend $49,000. You can buy a little bit. You can buy $100 worth if you want. Buy some Ethereum. Buy some of these that you like. Guys, I'm a huge fan of Cardano. XRP I like for different reasons. I've got videos on both those on my channel. Litecoin, I love Litecoin. I've done some videos on Litecoin. Some of these others are coming. Ethereum Classic, I'm a huge fan of Ethereum Classic as well. I've done VE Chain. All of these have all of these cryptos have different utilities and different uses. They're built for different they're built for different reasons, etc. Right? And so my point to you is diversify into your different cryptos. So get yourself 4, 5, 6, 7, however many you want, different cryptos. Now my ear itches. This is nuts. Okay, and then ultimately, as well though, don't just be in crypto. If you're wanting to kind of have an overall good stock plan, overall investing plan, have some crypto, but have some stocks as well, and maybe have a mix of ETF funds, which I'm a huge fan. I've got videos here on my channel that are ETF related as well. And then maybe some mutual funds or something like that. Obviously, max out your 401k if you've got that at the office. Just my point, diversify your risk, even outside of crypto. All right. So that's the kind of current state of the union. We're looking pretty good. And look, we continue to rise. We're up to 56.56 and 56.3 cents, up 13%. I think when I started, we were up 10%. So we're looking good on that. I always like to look just kind of very quickly. Dogecoin is still in a steep uptrend, but relative strength is concerning. All right, well, you're always going to have analysts. If you want, go to Yahoo Finance and check out some. Just type in Doge, and you'll get. And there's your ticker right there, Doge USD, and you can kind of look at some of these news articles. I do look at all of these, guys. You're going to get this, where you're going to get analysts that are kind of saying this is concerning, that's concerning. It's news, right? But what I like about it is that it is news. Is that Doge continues to be covered. All right, let's look at Twitter. I always like to look at Elon, kind of what's going on. If you didn't know this, a couple of days ago, Elon came out and said, working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. I think this is leading up to the fact that he very well may be at some point in the near future going to announce that Dogecoin you can use to to buy Teslas. Also, I had somebody comment on one of my videos earlier today that I haven't had the chance to go look at this, but with BitPay, you can use Dogecoin to now buy a house. Thought that was awesome. All right, so thank you for that. Somebody commented on one of my vids today and mentioned that. I can't catch all the news, so I thought that was worth mentioning. Also on BitPay, I wrote it down. On BitPay, you can buy a house with Doge. That's pretty darn cool. All right, what is another reason that Doge is rallying and Doge is going up? Well, it is this guy right here. Dogecoin, again, if you missed this, Coinbase has come out and made the announcement that you can now, in the next 6 to 8 weeks, you can, on Coinbase, you can basically buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. This is a big deal, guys. The fact that we're getting onto another exchange, that is another huge source of people who are married to that exchange. They like that exchange for their reasons, who now will have the ability to buy Doge on Coinbase. Getting onto these additional exchanges opens this up to yet more and more and more buyers, okay, and traders rather, people to buy and sell Doge, okay. All right, let's real quickly here. We already saw that tweet right here. Meanwhile, crypto exchange Coinbase said Thursday, they said this yesterday. I was actually going to mention this on my morning video this morning, but I forgot to do that. That in the next 6 to 8 weeks, that the many crypto traders, you'll have the ability to basically use Coinbase. Right now, Robinhood's one of the main ones. So now adding Coinbase, you'll be able to basically get in there and be able to buy some Doge. Okay, so let's wrap up with this. I want to wrap up with this. Final thoughts, right? My final thoughts are, I love Doge. There's 3 main reasons I love it. I'm going to give them to you real quickly. I'm not even going to go into them because I talk about it in every video. The Doge Army, the community, love it for that reason. The second reason, the celebrity factor that fuels press and media coverage, which continues to expand Dogecoin's footprint and makes it bigger and more well-known. I think that the press and the celebrity and the media coverage around Dogecoin is driving even more interest in overall cryptocurrency. Okay, I think that's happening. Thirdly, I love the fact that we are in the infancy stage of, looking at crypto to be adopted as an asset, a currency that people will use. I think Dogecoin is definitely in that race as a potential, currency that people would use in day to day to buy goods and services. Those are the three main reasons I love Doge. Okay. Final thought. Lastly, investing. Put some money into Doge. I mean, at 56 cents, put $50, $100, put in it what you can afford to lose in case Doge goes down. Do I think it's going to go down dramatically? Nope, I don't. I think that, this 49, 50 cents range is our support level. I think we're going to go up from here. I think we're going to continue to propel. This thing, Doge, is propelled by major media catalysts, and we got a lot more of those coming with Elon and Cuban and all those other scenarios. We got a ton of catalysts out in the future for us. And by the way, not even ones that we do not see yet. I'm a huge fan of this crypto. You guys know that. I'm definitely in. Want to continue to see it grow. That's why I cover it massively on my channel. And frankly, I cover it massively because you guys want this content, and y'all are telling me via your likes and your views that y'all want this. I'm going to continue to bring it to you. So I'll see you down the road. Go make some money. Protect yourself. Make good choices. I'll see you later. Bye.